using block based. Scratch is nothing but the computer programming. We can use Scratch in different types of purposes. The main advantages of this Scratch are we can use the Scratch coding in the Android version and also in computers or systems. So there are different types of Scratch we can use. There are different types. We can use the Scratch with different types of purposes. Like we can create interactive stories, games, arts, simulations, and more. Not only that, stories, music, videos, and also conversations, mainly in our English, we can use discourses. So we can use the Scratch for creating in subject wise and also stories and also some discourses and more. We can use Scratch in different types of purposes and mainly it will help in our logical thinking. So not only that, we can develop our 21st century skills with the help of this Scratch coding. So we can think in logical way by using this Scratch, and it is block. So by using the blocks, we can create and we can explore the Scratch coding. Scratch also has its own paint editor, sound editor built in. So in there are types of blocks, for example, like costumes, code, sound, and more. So there are n number of options we can see in the Scratch, and it is very easy to learn. We can learn with fun and we can enjoy. So we have to go to Google and we have to type as such as animations. As students design Scratch projects, they learn to think creatively, reason systematically, and work collaboratively. So with the help of Scratch, I already said you, we can develop our 21st century skills, which is very important mainly for students. Scratch plays an important role for students. It helps we can think in a logical way. We can create games and animations for fun and also develop our thinking skills. And students design Scratch projects. They learn to think creatively. So we can think innovative way and also we can think in creative way and reason systematically, work collaboratively. We can work with a team and it develops our communication skills, logical thinking skills, and there are a lot of opportunities we can get about the Scratch. So the another advantage is it is not a premium one. We can use our Gmail IDs. There is no premium, there is no cost for anything. It is very free. We can use in Android and also in system. So I hope you can clear about Scratch. So Nazia will explain about how to sign in Scratch. Thank you. Over to Nazia. There are any doubts? If there are any doubts,
No.
please respond. If there are any doubts,
No.
No.
over to Nazia.
Okay, Raghavani, thank you. So I'm here to say how to sign in the Scratch. So let's know. First of all, we have to go to Chrome. In the search bar, we have to type as as Raghavani said, scratch.mit.edu, and we have to search. So after searching, this is the home page of Scratch.
Nazia, just wait, beta. Nazia, just wait. All of you open your scratch.mit.edu, beta. All in your mobile.
Okay, ma'am.
Go in Google search bar and type scratch.mit.edu. Okay, Nazia, carry on.
Okay, ma'am. So first of all, you have to put your phone in computer side. For that, at the right side, there is the option 3 dots. So I'm showing. So this is the option. We have to click on it. After clicking, here is the option desktop site. We have to click on it. So I will show once. So like this, we have to click on desktop site. So our phone will be on desktop side. So I think all of you have opened scratch.mid.edu.
Yes.
Can I know?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now you have to go to sign in. At the right side top, there is the option of sign in. So here, I think it is visible. So we have to click on it. After clicking, it will ask our username. Then we have to type our username and password. Okay, we have to join Scratch or sign. So let us join Scratch. Let us click join Scratch. So here we have to write our username. Means our name we have to write here. So I'm writing my name. Here we have to create a password and we have to write here. So all of you should open and try. We have to click next. So it is asking as username not taken. So I have another name. So 1 minute. So next. So now also it is not taking. So we have to write 1 minute. So now also it is not taking. So I will write with my surname. So like this. Here this is the second question. It will ask as what country did you live in? So we have to select our country. So in these options we have to search our country. India. Okay, I have selected. And we have to click as next button. Here it will ask as our date of birth. So we have to write here our date of birth. So here it will ask as what's your gender. If you are girl, write as female. If you are boy, write as male. So next, here we have to write our email. So I'm writing my email. Like this, we have to write our email. So all of you are in process. Can I know?
Yes, sister.
Yes.
Okay. Here we have to click create your. So we have created our account. So welcome to Scratch, Muhammad Nazia. You are now logged in. You can start exploring, creating projects. Want to share and comment. So like this. So our Scratch account is created. So get started. We have to click. So like this. This is the home page and we have created our account. We can see the account at the top right side. My username is Muhammad Nazia. So that is our ID. So here profile, my stuff, account settings and sign out. If we want to sign out and we have to sign in with another username, we have to click as sign out. If we want to take another username only, we want to sign out. Otherwise, we can. And now we have to check our email once. So let us go to Gmail. And now we have created one account. So we have to confirm our Scratch account. Like this, it will come to your account. So all of you please check. So like this, confirm your Scratch account. Here is the option, confirm your Scratch account. We have to click on it. Confirm my account. So here, okay, let's go. We have to click. Yeah, our account is confirmed. So like this, and we have to. So I have signed out it, so it is not coming. So if we confirm our email only, we can share our projects. Otherwise, we can't. So all of you, please, after creating your account, you can So here, if after joining, we have to sign in. We have to write our username and password. So like this, we can write. So here, Nazia Anjum, my stuff. So these many projects I have did in this account of my. So I have confirmed my email. So all of you confirm your email and you can create your projects and share your projects. Over to Likita. Thank you.
Likita, just wait, beta. ఓకే బేటా లిఖిత జస్ట్ వెయిట్. అయితే ఇంతవరకు నాజియా చెప్పింది మీకు ఏమైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే హౌ కెన్ వి క్రియేట్ ద స్క్రాచ్ అకౌంట్ బై యూజింగ్ యూజర్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్. అవర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ రెడీ టు create a video and post in your advanced scratch group beta. Based on that you can create your own password and your own user id password beta. మీరు దాంట్లో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మిమ్మల్ని మీరు మిస్గైడ్ చేసుకోకండి, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకండి. చాలా కూల్ గా మీకు వీడియోస్ కూడా చేసి అందులో పెడతాము. ఏ విధంగా అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, ఏ విధంగా గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ బార్ లో scratch.mat.edu అని క్లిక్ చేసి అందులో ఆ అకౌంట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి మనకు కావాల్సిన స్క్రాచ్ ఐకన్ వచ్చిందా లేదా చూసుకొని అందులో యూజర్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్ తోటి జాయిన్ కావాలి బెట. అందులో మన డీటెయిల్స్ నింపిన తర్వాత మెయిల్ ఐడికి మనకి ఒక నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఆ నోటిఫికేషన్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకుంటేనే మనం చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్ ను సేవ్ చేసుకోగలము, అది బయట వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేసుకోగలము. అది ఒకవేళ నోటిఫికేషన్ యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోకపోతే మనం చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్ వేరే వాళ్ళు చూడడానికి వీలు ఉండదు బెట, షేర్ చేయడానికి వీలు ఉండదు. ఓకేనా బేటా. అయితే ఇందులో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావడానికి ఏమీ లేదు, చాలా సింపుల్ బేటా. నేను అది వీడియోస్ చేసి మీకు గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేస్తాను, మన పిల్లలే వీడియో చేస్తారు. మళ్ళీ తర్వాత పర్సనల్ గా కూడా నాకు కాల్ చేసి అడగొచ్చు. మీకు ఎక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయినా కూడా నాకు కాల్ చేసి అడగొచ్చు బేటా, నేను క్లారిటీగా మీకు మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఈ రోజు 24 పార్టిసిపెంట్సే ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ రేపు కూడా మీకు ఇదే మళ్ళీ ఎలా పాస్వర్డ్ తోటి లాగిన్ అవ్వాలి, ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అనేది మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తాము. ఓకేనా బేటా, మీరు ఏం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకండి, చాలా సింపుల్ గా తీసుకోండి. ఓకేనా, రైట్. ఓవర్ టు లిఖిత. లిఖిత ఆర్ దేర్ బేటా? ఓకే ఓకే బేటా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా నాన్న మీకు?
If you have any doubts, ask me. If you have any doubts, just ask me. And one note also, you have to write the username in small letters without any space. So note, we have to write your username in small letters with any space. So anyone have doubt among this?
Oh.
Okay, thank you. Over to Likita.
Thank you, Nazia. Now I will explain about the blocks in Scratch. So first we have the motion blocks. There are 10 categories of blocks: motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables list, and my blocks. So these are the blocks that are present in Scratch coding. Scratch has over 100 coding blocks and each one has a unique use. They are all coded into 9 different categories as seen below. You can also create your own block under more blocks. So first we will know about motion blocks. Motion blocks are colored coded medium blue or also use it to control a sprite's movement. The blocks points its sprite towards the mouse printer or another sprite depending on its costume center. This changes the sprite's direction and rotates the sprite. Now looks blocks. Looks blocks are color coded purple and are used to control a sprite's appearance. The block displays a speech bubble with a specified text for the sprite that transits, which appears on the screen for the specified amount of seconds. The block changes its sprite costume to a specified one.
Next, sounds blocks. So these sounds blocks are one of the 10 categories of scratch blocks. They are color coded pink and they are used to control sound functions. There are currently 9 sound blocks and 8 stack blocks and 1 reporter block. Next, event blocks. Event blocks are the most important set of blocks you will use in Scratch. The main block in these event blocks are when clicked block and when this sprite clicked. So these are all the important blocks in this. Event blocks tell Scratch when to start running the program by setting a triggering moment, such as clicking the green flag. The Scratch team calls these hat blocks because they are always top of the program. Next, control blocks. Control blocks are color-coded gold and they are used to control scripts. The block pauses its script for the specified amount of seconds. The wait can also be decimal number. Blocks held inside the block will loop a given amount of times before allowing the sprite to continue. The next, sensing blocks. Sensing blocks is one of the 10 categories of Scratch blocks. They are color-coded cyan, blue, and they are used to detect different factors of a project. There are differently factors of a project and there are currently 18 sensing blocks, 3 stacks blocks, 5 Boolean blocks, and 10 reporter blocks. Next, operators blocks. Operator blocks is one of the 10 categories of Scratch blocks. They are color-coded light green and are used to script math equations and string handling. It was previously titled number blocks but was renamed in Scratch 1.4 due to new blocks that handled strings. Next, variables. Variables blocks are one of the 10 blocks of the categories, and the variable blocks are color coded orange and the list blocks are coded dark red. There are 5 variable blocks and 12 list blocks. The next here is a my block. So in this we can create what we want, we can create. And my blocks, known as more blocks in Scratch 2.0, is one of the 10 categories of Scratch blocks. It holds procedures for the selected sprite. They are color coded pink. Before any scripts are created, it is empty except for the make a block button. So these green blocks are present in the extensions. So here we can find the option. This is called the extensions. So when we click on it, we can find these all the options: music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, translate, Mackie, microbit, Lego Menstops EV3, Lego Boost, Lego Education, Video 2.4, Go Direct Force, and acceleration. So now I want music blocks. When I click on the music block, so here there are music blocks. And so in this way, we can choose from these extension blocks. So these are the blocks in the Scratch coding. So I hope you are all understand and you are very clear about these blocks. Do you have any doubts? Anyone, do you have any doubts?
Oh, it's
No, no.
clear.
Just respond, beta. If anybody have any doubts, చెప్పు అమృత చెప్పు నాన్న చెప్పు నాన్న అమృత.
It's clear, ma'am.
యా వెరీ గుడ్ బేటా, వెరీ గుడ్.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
యా బేటా చెప్పు నాన్న. ఎవరు?
Ma'am, Akshit.
అక్షిత్ చెప్పు నాన్న.
Ma'am, in how to enter in this code?
Yeah, beta, you have to go Google search bar and type scratch.mit.edu.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, that's ma'am. Ma'am, after entering this, how to join in this code option?
Code option. Ante you just after you create an account, then only you can go through the code, beta.
Okay.
Without create any account, you can't go ahead. నువ్వు ముందుకు వెళ్ళలేవు. నువ్వు క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాతనే నీకు మెయిల్ ఐడికి ఒకటి నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. అది యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాతనే మనము మై స్టఫ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి అంటే మనము ఈ కోడ్ అన్ని కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
నేను మళ్ళీ వీడియోస్ కూడా చేసి పెట్టిపిస్తాను, అది కూడా ఒకసారి ఫాలో కండి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయారా?
మ్యామ్ this much only మ్యామ్.
Do you like beta scratch? How it is class? How can you feel?
Ma'am, excellent. Ma'am, good.
Just express your opinion, beta.
Ma'am, nice one. Ma'am, nicely have the scratch.
ఓకే బేటా. ఈ స్క్రాచ్ తోటి మనం గేమ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు, వీడియోస్, చిన్న మూవీస్ కూడా తయారు చేయొచ్చు. మన జడిపిహెచ్ఎస్ ఇంద్రనగర్ అభిరామ్ ఒక చిన్నపాటి మూవీ కూడా తయారు చేశారు. మన రాఘవేణి వీళ్ళంతా కూడా చాలా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేశారు. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ వాళ్ళు ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లో కూడా సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యారు. అయితే ఇది చాలా అడ్వాన్స్ టెక్నాలజీ. అయితే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ స్క్రాచ్ ఎందుకు వాడతాము అని అంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం అది శాటిలైట్స్ ని మనం అంతరిక్షంలోకి వదిలిపెట్టేటప్పుడు అవి ఎంత దూరం వెళ్ళాక ఎన్ని వేల మైళ్ళ కిలోమీటర్లు దాటిన తర్వాత దాని యొక్క స్పేర్ భాగాలు ఎక్కడ విడిపోవాలి, తర్వాత అది ఎక్కడ ఏ కక్షలో కూర్చోవాలి అనేది సైంటిస్టులు అందరూ కూడా కంప్యూటర్ లో కోడ్ చేసి పెడతారు. కోడింగ్ చేసి పెట్టడం వల్ల ఆ కంప్యూటర్ లో ఇచ్చిన కోడింగ్ తోటి అది డీకోడింగ్ చేసుకొని ఆ శాటిలైట్ కొన్ని వేల మైళ్ళ కిలోమీటర్లు దాటిన తర్వాత దాని యొక్క స్పేర్ భాగాలు విడిపోయి అది ఆ పలానా కక్షలోనే కూర్చోవాలంటే అక్కడే కూర్చుంటుంది అన్నట్టు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అట్లా ఆ విధంగా ఈ కోడింగ్ అనేది చాలా మంచి అడ్వాన్స్ టెక్నాలజీ. అది తర్వాత నెప్ అంటే అది నేషనల్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ పాలసీ వాళ్ళు నెక్స్ట్ 2025 ఇయర్ నుంచి 6th క్లాస్ నుంచే అది ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ గా పెట్టడానికి గవర్నమెంట్ ఆలోచిస్తుంది. సో ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అడ్వాన్స్ టెక్నాలజీ. ఇది మనం ఇప్పటి నుంచి మనం నేర్చుకుంటే రేపు భవిష్యత్తులో మనకి చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ అవకాశాలు వస్తాయి బేట. ఇప్పుడు కొద్దిగా మనకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయినా, కొద్దిగా భయం వేసినా ఏ మాత్రం భయపడనక్కర్లేదు, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కానక్కర్లేదు. మనము ఆటోమేటిక్ గా కొద్దిగా మనం అర్థం చేసుకొని దాని మీద ఫోకస్ చేస్తే మనం ఎన్ని రకాల మిరాకిల్స్ అంటే అన్ని రకాల మిరాకిల్స్ సృష్టించవచ్చు. మీ యొక్క టాలెంట్ అంతా కూడా ఇందులో మీరు మీ టాలెంట్ అంతా కూడా ప్రూఫ్ చేసుకునే ఛాన్స్ అన్నట్టు. ఈ విధంగా మీరు ఏంటంటే అన్ని క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ చూపించమంటారా మరి? మన పిల్లలు క్రియేట్ చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏదైనా చూస్తారా?
Yes, ma'am.
చేసిన ప్రాజెక్టే ఫస్ట్ కాకుండా ఒక చిన్న ప్రాజెక్ట్ మన రాఘవేణి ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసి ఎలా షేర్ చేస్తుందో చూడండి మీరు. ఓకేనా? రాఘవేణి, ఆర్ యు దేర్ బేటా?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Raghavani, over to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Just to observe how can she create the project by using scratch codes beta. ఏ విధంగా బ్లాక్స్ ఎట్లా ఇస్తుందో చూడండి. ఒక్కొక్క బ్లాక్ కి ఒక్కొక్క ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. ఏ విధంగా తను క్రియేట్ చేస్తుందో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి బేటా. ఓకే బేటా, రాఘవేణి క్యారియా.
Okay, ma'am. So I hope you have clear idea about the signing. So you have to go to Chrome or a Google account, and then so if you want to comfortable in a desktop site, simply you can click the desktop site, or else you can use the normal site which is in our mobile. At first I will explain the features of the Scratch. So I will annotate it. Here you can see create. All you know about the create. So if you want to create any project with using the Scratch, you can simply tap on create. Or else there is another more option. Explore is nothing but sharing our ideas in the Scratch. So the explore option is about sharing. And the third option is ideas. Ideas, all you know, it is similar word we can use. For example, if we click on idea, so there will be a lot of tutorials in this Scratch. If you didn't have any idea, so you can click on ideas and you can see a lot of projects which is created by another one. So you can try, for example, animate a name. If we click on that, you can see there will be option like coding cards, educator guide. So coding cards, if you want to know about this coding, this project, you can click on the coding cards and the PDF will be downloaded. You can see, I will show the PDF. So you can see this project. The project is animate a name. So in this PDF, we can learn like how to do the project. So there is some basics, like if we want to select a song, what we have to use, or if you want to dance any letter, it means if you want to animate or if you want to give a movement to any letter, which block we have to use. So it will give some ideas about that. So you can download this PDF and you can learn independently. So this is about ideas. And I hope you have clear idea about these ideas. And about, here you can see about is nothing but, if you click on that, you can see I am clicking. This is about the scratch. So this is about the scratch, like how we have to use the scratch, in which purpose we can use, how is it useful, it is useful or harmful, what are the advantages, disadvantages, and so many. And you can see the third option, that is ideas, sorry, that is this message icon. If you click on that message icon, you can see the messages. If you created any project in the scratch, there are a lot of members they can do in projects, and they can do a lot of projects in scratch. If we shared any project with our Gmail ID, so you can see there will be likes, comments on our project. And the last but not least, it is very important, that is the cat icon. So in this icon, we can see a lot of options. If we click on here, profile, my stuff, account settings, sign out. I hope you have an idea about sign in. So I will explain about profile. Profile is nothing but it shows about our details and personal information. So you can see this is my username, about country, and about something which is our personal information. And it shows what now we are doing, what projects now we are continuing. For example, now I am continuing this project. So it will be showing like this. And you can see what I have been doing. So it is about information. You can see. And these are about projects like favorited projects, shared projects, and this is about comments. I already said you about if we share any project, they will comment on project. So we can see the comments also. And if we click on here, profile, my stuff. So my stuff is nothing but it stores our project. For example, in this my stuff, we can see about our projects. You can see all projects 55. So this is about project list. Shared projects. If we click on that, shared projects, we can see our shared projects. And my studios. And then unshared projects. There are 6 unshared projects. For example, I am deleting one project. At first, I'll unshare it. And then I have deleted that project. So I want that project. How I will do is, at first that is important project. So go to trash, and the trash we can see there are deleted projects also. So if you want, you have to restore any project, click on trash and you can see the deleted projects. And I'm put back in that project. So it will be in our project list. You can see the story. So it will be in our project list. And my studios. So we can share our projects in the my studios or my stuff. And the trash, it is like a trash, it is like a dustbin. and it stores our deleted projects. And this is about the project list. So if you want to create any project, I already said about the first. At first I have explained about create. So if we click on that create, so it will be loading. So you can see creating project. So now I want to explain like how to do a small project in easy way. So you can see this share option. I got a notification, so I got this option. If you didn't get any notification, you can't see the share option in your mobile. At first, we have to rename our project name. For example, I am creating a project about animation or animations. So I renamed, and then there will be two options like how we have to see this project. For example, it will be in horizontal, it will be in vertical. There are two options, horizontal one and vertical one. So you can see the space for the code also. So you can use which you have comfortably. And this file, if you click on this file, you can create this project as a new project. If you click on that, if you want to save, click on save now. There are two options. You can click on here or else you can click on file. And if you want to save this project as a copy in your mobile, you can use this option like save as a copy. And if you want to load any project from your mobile or from your computer, you can select the load from your computer. And if you downloaded any project, it will be shown in our downloads and we can create that project and we can edit. Save to your computer is nothing but save to your device. So I hope you have clear idea about that. And editing tutorials. Tutorials is nothing but this is like I already said, this help us to create any project in easy way. If you there is no idea about Scratch, you have didn't idea or you have no idea about creating project, you can simply click on tutorials and there will be a lot of categories: animation, art, music, games, stories. So this is about tutorials. So I want to explain about the backdrops and sprite in the Scratch. For example, you can see here the two options, this and then this. So at first I'll explain about that. You can see the frame. You can see this one is a frame. If we click on that, there will be four options like search, paint and random and then upload. So if you want to click on search, if we click on search, you can see these are a lot of backdrops. So in our language, we can call it as background, but in Scratch, we have to pronounce it like backdrop. So I am repeating once again, backdrop. You can see here also backdrop. So if you want to create any project relating to animation or dance, for example, dance. So there are also a lot of categories: sports, outdoors, indoors, space, underwater. So there are n number of backdrops according to the category. For example, I want to create a project in underwater. So you can simply click on this underwater. There are two backdrops. For example, I am tapping on here. You can see the backdrop is applied here also. If you click on backdrops also, it will be applied here. And if I want another more backdrop, so you have to click on search. And now I want the backdrop, plain backdrop. So I already said you this is called as backdrop, but not background. So there is two backdrops. How we have to check there are two backdrops? So let us see. Here you can see the backdrop numbers also. There are three backdrops. So let us see what are the backdrops. How we have to see is at first tap on here backdrop stage And after tapping on that, you can see there are three options: code, backdrop, sound. If we click on the backdrop, you can see what the backgrounds are uploaded in this. The first backdrop is plain backdrop. Here you can see, if we are doing any changes here, it will be applied here also. I will show. So it will be applied here. For example, I am tapping on it. It will be applied in our screen. So I didn't want this plain background which is in white. So how to delete it? If we click on this long press, if we click on, you can see duplicate, export, delete. This is one way to delete. Or else you can see dustbin option, remove. You can simply click on that. It will be removed. So with me, there are two backdrops, one and then two. So this is light color. How we have to make thick? So at first, I am in the vector. If you click on convert to bitmap, there will be some options. If we click on convert to vector, there will be some options. So I will explain. If we click on this arrow, you can select the total one, or else there is another one. You can simply select. If I uploaded anything, you can simply select particular one. This is not specific and this is specific. So if we have to drag, how we have to enlarge it? So we have to click this arrow. You can see this plus. On this, there are two plus icons. So we have to place this plus icon on that plus icon. So it will be in the middle. So if you want to paint anything, you can paint or you can draw anything. So you can see the another option like pen size or else 18, and you can see the thickness. You can increase or you can decrease. So how we have to erase? There are two options to erase. For example, if we click on here, it will be erased. I am erasing all these things. Or else there will be another more option. You can see the specific arrows, two arrows. There will be a lot of advantages by this arrow. How, let us see. If we click on this left one, undo redo, it also called as undo redo. So all will be erased. So now I want to see the previous one, which is painting. So click on this redo. So the painting, undo and redo. So it will be helpful. And then this bucket. We have to select any color and then you can fill. So sometimes it will be not work. So we can use another more option instead of this bucket. You can see the last option is square. If we click on that square, you can see fill. For example, I am using the green color to fill. You can drag with the mouse pointer or your finger. So it will be applied here also. So if you want to delete it, you can select this arrow. It will select the whole one. And you can see copy, forward, backward, delete, flip horizontal, flip vertical. If you want to delete it, simply you can choose the option delete. Or else, I already painted, there are two colors, backward and frontward. So I want the blue color. How we have to choose? Click on this backward and the blue color is front side and the back side is green color. If we click on this forward and the blue is went back side and we can see green one. So I am deleting this one and there is blue one. You can see here also. And this line, if you want to draw any line, you can create your own sprite also. For example, if you want to draw a stick, you can simply draw a stick. So it will be applied here also. So I want to change the thickness of this. You can select on this first and then you can choose the color of it. At first, I'm choosing this blue color outline and the thickness 6, for example. The thickness will be changed. If we tap on here, for example, I'm choosing 30. The thickness. So you can find the difference between also. So I'm using this undo redo. Yeah, it will be erased. Now the plain background is there. And then T. T is mainly useful for writing. How we have to write? We have to select or we have to tap on T and we have to write any text on this. For example, I am creating the project. I already said it's starting animation. So I want to write animation on this blue or this blue color. So you have to tap here on that and animations. And then I already written, but it is not visible. So we have to change color. How we have to change is you can see fill option. If we click on that option, you can see colors. For example, I am choosing red. It's some more better and it is visible, but it is very short. So you can use this arrow for selecting. And then if you want to give any outline, this is outline. It will be applied here also as a outline. And I want to increase the size. How? You have to click this both ends and you have to drag it at the end. At first select it and then drag it. Yes, I am dragging. So now it is clear and it is visible clearly. So now I want to change the text like the style, text style. It means writing style. So how we have to use, at first click on this text and then will be option like I'm yes. So you can see the Shan's Sheriff. If we tap on that, the writing will be like this. If we tap on second option, the writing style will be like this. And handwriting, like handwriting, marker, curly. And this is some more different languages. We can't understand that one also. So I'm using the marker. What we have doing here, it will be applied here also. So I'm placing middle. So now it is okay. So this is another more backdrop. So backdrop 1, backdrop 2. So I want to drag it up. So I want to choose this backdrop as 1. So at first I'll rename this as 1. Wait a minute. 1 and this one as 2. So now with me there are 2 backdrops. One is this one and second one is underwater. So at first go to code and then I want to change the color at a time. So how we have to use, I hope you have clear idea about using the code, blocks. So I want to give one code. So the important note is we have to use event block. When we start any code, we have to mainly use event block. If there will be no, if we can't use event blocks, let me show what will be happen. So for example, I am dragging here, switch backdrop to 2. I already explained you what is meant by backdrop. Backdrop is nothing but this background. So with me, there are 2 backdrops. One is this one and the second one is underwater. So switch backdrop to 2. Switch is nothing but change. And then play a sound pop. So let us see how it will be worked. If we click on the green flag, there is no work. There will be no programming. Can anyone expect it? What is the mistake I have done? Identify the mistake.
When we clicked green
Flag,
flag.
flag.
Yes. So we have to use event block. For example, I am dragging and attaching here. So now let us click the green flag. There will be programming. Yes. I will show. I think so. Now you can listen the sound. So now the functioning will be happen. So we have to use this event block to starting any project. If we can't do, there will be no programming. So I already said you, I want to change the color for this backdrop one. Backdrop one is this plain one. So now I want to change the color for this backdrop. So the easy way is, for example, this control block we have to drag the forever. It is called as loop. Repeat totally. So now I want to change the color. So for changing, for doing conversation, mainly we have to use loop blocks. So you can see set color, change color. There are a lot of difference between set and change. Set means we have to set, it will be particular one. If you want to change, so it will be changed like a variable. So we know that variable is changing one. So we have to drag change. So I want to change the color only. So I'm choosing the color. If you want, there will be a lot of options. You can change the brightness, ghost, mosaic, pixelate, will, fishy. So now I want to change the color and effect. How much we have to change, like what that effect. For example, I am using 25. So now let us see. It is too much fast. So I am decreasing the effect to 10, for example. So it is somewhere okay. So if you want to change, you can change to 5 or else. So now is it okay? I want this backdrop as thick one. So go to backdrops, click on this backdrop and then fill the thick color. I am filling this pink color. Wait, what happened? So you can draw. I am drawing and click on backward. So now you can see it is changing. So it is changing for forever. So click on save now. So I completed about backdrop. So now I want to give some more sound effect to backdrop. How we have to give is go to sounds. I am deleting this pop sound. And downside you can see the sound option, adding sound. If we click on that, you can see the 4 options: search, microphone, random and upload. If we click on search, there will be a lot of sounds in the scratch only in default. So if you want to give any sound effect with our voice, you can simply tap on this second option, microphone, or else there is no time to select the sound. So you can choose this third option, random. If you click on that, there will be a random sound. I didn't selected any sound. So if you click on this, if you want to use third option, you can. Upload is nothing but we have to upload this sound in YouTube or at some website. So I am going to search some sound. For example, I want the effects. And in effects you can see a lot of options. in the Scratch. So I am searching the musical instrument, which is piano. So I am choosing this one. Now I want to apply this sound to this project. So there will be a sound option also. If you want to play this sound in faster way, slower way, or louder, if you want to increase the sound, and softer, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse, and robot. So there will be a lot of options in this sound. And go to code, you can see the sound. Go to sound block, and so I didn't using this sound for forever. So you can drag another more event block and you can attach it. So now you can see the work. So after this completion of music, it will be stopped. So now I want to use control. Now I will use the repeat block. Instead of forever, you can use repeat. So I want to repeat this music at particular time or particular number. For example, I want to repeat this sound for 6 times. It will be repeated for 6 times. So now the code for backdrop is completed. Now let us move to sprite. Can anyone have any idea about sprite? Am I audible?
రెస్పాండ్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని మాట్లాడండి బేటా. మీకు ఏమైనా అర్థమైందా లేకపోతే ఇంకేమైనా ప్రాబ్లం డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి బేటా. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Raghavani, have you completed your project, beta?
No, ma'am, some more.
Do you want to continue, beta? Yeah, just you have to within the 5 minutes and share the project link in our advanced Scratch group, beta. Okay, na? Raghavani.
Okay, madam. So sprite is nothing but a character. So in our language we have called as character, but in Scratch the background is called as backdrop and the character is called as sprite. So I am repeating once again, the character or something object is called as sprite in the Scratch. So here you can see it is called as sprite. So now I want to remove this sprite and I want to use another sprite instead of this cat. How I have to remove is, there are two options. If we click on the long press, delete, and there will be another option, remove. I am removing. So this is the code for backdrop. Now let us upload the sprite by clicking on this. So this is for backdrops and this is for sprite. If we click on this, search, paint, random, upload. So let us upload the sprite which is in our Scratch only. So click on search. You can see the sprites, different types of sprites according to different types of categories: animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion. For example, all. I am choosing this Abby. It will be applied here also. Now you can see. So now I want to animate this girl by walking. So now I want to animate. It means I want to give some animation to this sprite named Abby. So there will be a lot of features in the sprite also. Tap on size and you can increase the size of the sprite. Now it is will be increased. Direction. So you can see the direction. Or else, sorry, 90. It is in 90 direction. Exposition, Y position. So the position of girl. If I will moving this girl, the X and Y position will be changed. I am moving. You can see the X and Y position also changed according to the movement of girl. So now let us give the code. At first, the important note is use the event block. So now I want to give movement for girl. At first, go to costumes. There are different types of costumes for this girl. Costume 2, costume 3, costume 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 costumes for this girl. This is the costume 1, costume 2, costume 3, costume 4. 4 costumes. Costumes is nothing but the girl movements. So for some sprite there will be costumes. For some sprite there will be no costumes. And sound is nothing but you have to give some sound effect to the sprite also. So now I want to give a movement for this girl. For example, I am using another more control block, that is forever. And next costume. For example, if I will tap on next costume, let us see the work. You can see the animation for this girl. If I am tapping, the girl movement also changing. So costume. So now the girl is costume 1. Now I want to repeat this costume. So you can simply choose the look block. In the look there will be option next costume. So let us see how it will be worked. So you can see the movement of girl is very fast. We have to control it. So in name itself you can observe the control block. You can use wait. So when the green flag is clicked, after the green flag is clicking, forever, it will be repeated for forever. And you have to keep this code for forever for next costume. So I am choosing the next costume. So I am placed the block in the forever loop. And after switching one costume, it means 1 and 1 in sequence, it will be wait. It wants to wait. So I am using this wait block. So now let us observe the difference. So this is about animation. So if you want to give the movement for that girl, you can simply use motion block. Forever move 10 steps. So now let us see what will be happening. It will be moving and changing the costumes. Both the work is completed. There are 2 works in one programming. Changing the backdrops and changing the sprite also. You can see. So this is a small project. I will share. So click on share and this is the project page. So we have to give instructions about this project, like how we have to see the project. So click on the green flag. And watch the animation. So notes and credits is nothing but if you want to thank anybody, you can simply type as thank you. So now the project is completed. So we have to share this project as a link format. So click on copy link. The first option you have to choose copy link. It will be copied. So now I will share this project in our group. I hope you have got some idea about how to do a small project. If there are any doubts, ask.
If you have any doubt, beta, just respond.
No, madam.
Have you got an idea? I think. What is the usage of blacks and how can we create the project? Have you got the idea?
Madam.
Yeah,
Yes,
beta.
madam.
Just wait.